When I walk in, everybody asking who this. Well, if you ain't know, must be dumb or blind or stupid. My pedigree too strong.
Welcome back to another video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and follow my Instagram because you'll get updates on when the videos coming out and short tutorials that will be posted on YouTube, but you'll see it on Instagram first. And it's at curlyhead_Alecia. So today's video, I will be testing out on one side of my head the Eco Salad olive oil with my favorite Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie with the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Creme Mousse. So on the other side of my head, I'll be using the Curl Enhancer Smoothie, the Curly Mousse, and then some product that a family friend gave us. I'm not sure what it is, but she said it did her hair really good and her hair was really pretty. So if you want to see this turn out, continue watching. Let's get into the video. Cute. Oh shoot, I didn't turn off the camera. So I just got out the shower from washing my hair with the Creme Pure Honey Shampoo and the Creme Miracle Oil Conditioner, Intensive Conditioner. And those are my top shampoo and conditioners because, I mean, my hair feels so soft. But as you can see, my hair gets super duper frizzy at the top. So first, I'm going to, as I always do, split my hair down the middle. And then put one side up. And then I'm going to do this. Oop. And then put this up. So first, my hair dried. So I'm going to wet it a little bit. And next, I'm using my Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. And I'm going to use this as a detangler to detangle. So I was talking basically to myself because I looked and my camera wasn't on. But basically, I finished this side and like my curls look moisturized, they feel moisturized, and they look pretty. So now I'm on the other side. I hate my clips. Ew, what is it? Okay, sorry. So now I put my curl mousse in. I put the Shea Moisture Smoothie in. So y'all, I'm sitting here editing the video that you're watching now, and I noticed that I'm missing like 3 minutes of footage. So turns out my camera wasn't recorded. It was being real disrespectful. So the video that you're watching now is probably missing 3 minutes, but still, it's a really good video and you should continue watching it because, I mean, why wouldn't you want to finish watching this video? Like, but yeah, I just needed to let y'all know that. Yeah, I just got finished with this side, and to be honest, I like this side a lot better because my hair right here is already freezing up, and Like, it has zero definition. Whereas on this side, it could be that I just did the side, but it shouldn't be this frizzy right now. But I'm honestly liking this side a lot better. I mean, the back is perfect, but yeah. I don't know about this side. We'll see how it looks like in the morning. So, I'll probably put these in 4 twists and then see y'all in the morning to see how it comes out. It's currently the next day and I slept with my hair in 2 twists with my satin bonnet on. And my hair is probably like, it's actually 100% dry. So, yeah, let's see how it looks. So on this side, I put the Family Friend product in. That's what I'm just going to call it because I have no idea. And I'm definitely buying me some of this. I actually like this side a lot better. Like I said last night, I actually like it a lot better because it feels my curls are a lot softer. And with gels, your hair kind of has that crunchy feeling. It kind of has that feeling on this side, but on this side my hair is soft and it's not as bad looking as this side, I guess. So I'm gonna refresh my curls and then I'll come back. So I'm back and I refreshed my curls, and I honestly, I like it. My curls have been a lot curlier and more defined and have a lot of definition better than this. I said that wrong, but I feel like it would be better if I did a wash and go using both of these products. So I'll probably do another video using it as a wash and go and see how it turned out. But like to sleep on it, I don't think it really worked. So my curls, I feel moisturized, but I don't think I would do this every wash day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe and follow my Instagram at curlyhead_Alecia. Next week's video, I have a special guest, which I'll have to wait to find out. Love you guys.